Good morning, wonderful people. How's everyone doing today? I genuinely hope each and every one of you is doing well. Hey there, it's Sharon, and I'm so excited to connect with you through this video. I've got some crucial information to share about the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic before you decide to give it a go. Stick with me till the end because there's some valuable stuff coming your way. It's going to be a quick one, but trust me, it's worth it. Alright, let's dive in, folks. First things first, you gotta know where to get your hands on the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Remember, it's crucial to purchase it from the official website. To make things super easy for you, I've dropped the link in the video description below. Once you're done watching this, check it out, okay? Over there, you can explore the natural ingredients, read people's experiences, and take a look at the various packages they offer. Now, let's talk about what this tonic is and whether it works. Absolutely, it works wonders. Thousands of men and women are witnessing fantastic results with the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. This supplement is 100% natural, with no contradictions or side effects. It's all about promoting multiple health benefits. Picture this. It accelerates your metabolism to turbo speeds, helping you shed those pounds and take control of your weight. The formula is FDA approved and GMP certified, with regular audits and quality checks. Trust me, this product is legit, and it's making a positive impact on so many lives. But hey, if you have a medical condition, it's always a good idea to consult your doctor before giving it a shot. The coolest part? You can try the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for a whopping 90 days. If you don't see results, which I doubt, or if it's not your cup of tea for whatever reason, just ask for a refund, and they'll give you 100% of your money back. It's a win-win. Remember, everyone's metabolism is different, so results may vary. Be patient, and stay committed to taking it every day. The recommended way? 1 scoop around a.m., or about an hour after a light breakfast. Mix it with water, and you're good to go. You might start seeing initial results in the first month, but for many, the magic happens after 3 months of consistent use. It's a journey, folks. I wanted to share this info because I genuinely believe in the product. Give it a shot, visit the official website, and have an amazing day. I'm pretty sure you won't regret it. See you around, and bye for now.